Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to automatically collect and organize form responses in a spreadsheet format, making it much easier to analyze data, create charts, or share results with your team. First, head over to your Google Forms. Once you're there, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Responses. This tab is where all your form submissions are collected, and it's also where you'll find the tools to connect your form to a spreadsheet. After clicking on Responses, you'll notice a green icon that says Link to Sheets. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key feature that bridges your form data directly into Google Sheets, allowing every new response to automatically populate into your spreadsheet in real time. Once you click Link to Sheets, a dialog box will appear giving you two options. You can either create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet to link your form responses to. If you already have a spreadsheet where you're organizing data, selecting an existing one might make sense. However, for this example, we're going to select Create a new spreadsheet. This option is perfect when you're starting fresh and want a dedicated sheet just for this form's responses. After selecting Create a new spreadsheet, you'll see a field where you can edit the title of your spreadsheet. By default, Google will suggest a name based on your form title, but you can change it to whatever works best for your organization. This is helpful if you want to keep your files clearly labeled and easy to find later. Once you're satisfied with the title, click Create, and that's it. Your Google form is now linked to Google Sheets. Every time someone submits a response to your form, it will automatically appear as a new row in your spreadsheet. This setup saves you from manually copying and pasting data, and it keeps everything organized in one place. You can now access your linked spreadsheet anytime from Google Sheets, where you can sort, filter, and analyze your responses however you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.